Today in this video we will discuss about the 8 and 8 nomenclature. Okay, let us take an example first. Say for example SO4 2 minus. This one is known as sulfate, and SO3 2 minus. This one is known as sulfide. So we have a common confusion that which one is known as sulfate or which one is known as sulfide. In general, which one is known as 8 and which one is known as 8. Basically, the oxyanions are known as 8 and 8 ion. Now, if we consider in terms of oxygen, number of oxygen attached with sulfur, then you can see here 4 oxygen is attached, here 3 oxygen is attached. Where number of oxygen is more, that will be known as 8. Where number of oxygen is less, that will be known as 8. So here number of oxygen is more. That's why it's known as sulfate. And here the number of oxygen is less. Number of oxygen is less. So that's why it's known as sulfide. Now if we consider in terms of oxidation number, so if we want to find out the oxidation number of these two oxyanions, then sulfate, let us assume the oxidation state of sulfur is X, and you know that the oxidation state of oxygen is -2. Here are 4 oxygen, that is equals to -2. So X equals to +6. So oxidation state of sulfur here +6. And if we consider the sulfite SO3 2 minus, here if we consider sulfur as X and oxygen -2 multiplied by 3, that is equals to -2. So X equals to +4. So here it is +4. So it is very much clear that here the oxidation state is high, here the oxidation state is low. So where the oxidation state is more, that will be known as 8, and where oxidation state is less, that will be known as 8. So this one is sulfate and this one is sulfite. Let us take another example. Suppose NO3 minus. So NO3 minus, this one is known as nitrate, and NO2 minus, this one is known as nitrite. So obviously here the number of oxygen is more and the number of oxygen is less. And if we consider the oxidation state, here it is X plus -2 multiplied by 3 equals to -1, X equals to +5. So it is +5, and here X plus -2 multiplied by 2, that is equals to -1, X equals to +3. So this is +3. Okay, so here the oxidation state is more, this is nitrate. Here the oxidation state is less, it is nitrite. So this is nitrate and this one is nitrite. Thank you.